Gourmet Vegan Gourmet. Yeah! Welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen, of where I do my best to share with you guys gourmet vegan recipes that tend to be a lot healthier and tastier than their dairy and meat alternatives. I am working on my first cookbook, so there are lots of recipes coming your way, but for today, we are making gourmet vegan sunny side up eggs. What? Did she just say we're making vegan eggs? Yes, vegan gourmet sunny side up eggs. Do they taste like eggs? You know what? They sure do smell like eggs. They're a very good alternative to sunny side up eggs, and they're really delicious on sandwiches. And when you make some crispy vegan bacon, they are delicious all together, which I will show you guys how to make crispy vegan bacon next week in next week's video. And in the video coming to you this Friday, I'll also be showing you how to make easy and quick 10-minute or less home-style hash brown potatoes to go along with your egg sandwiches or just your sunny side up eggs, bacon or not, your choice. So, without further ado, please make sure to hit the little ring bell when you do subscribe so you do get notified, and let's get to making eggs. Okie dokie, so these are the things that you will need to make your eggs.
For the egg yolks, we are going to need 1/4 cup of white northern beans, rinsed and drained. 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. If you don't have any, I will leave a link down below on Amazon so that you don't have to shop everywhere to try to find it. 1/8 teaspoon of pink sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. 2 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1/8 cup of unsweetened regular plant milk. And 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree from the can. Now for the egg whites, we are going to need 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pink sea salt, 2 teaspoons of tapioca flour or tapioca starch, 1/2 cup of brown rice flour, 1 cup of unsweetened regular plant milk, 4 tablespoons of water, and 1/2 cup of white northern beans, yet again rinsed and drained. Now one at a time, put all of the ingredients for both the egg whites and the yolks inside of your high-speed blender, separating them of course. First here I did the egg yolks, put it into a bowl, set it aside, and then just did the same for the egg whites. Blend this up until they're nice and creamy, somewhere around 15 to 30 seconds, give or take for each one.
Alrighty, and now that we've got all of that together, this egg yolk mixture, it smells so delicious. This smells like eggs. And honestly, if you are one that likes to dip toast into egg yolks, this is like a delicious egg yolk dip. I will definitely do that if I have extra. This also tastes the best when you first make it. So, I'm gonna show you how to make these eggs in less than 10 minutes. And here are the egg white mixture. Let's get to cooking. So you're gonna wanna use a nonstick pan or a wok. I do not use this one. I have used this nonstick pan for a long time and things start to stick to it, so I would stay away from pans like that. I found though the best that I've used is ceramic pans. So preheat your pans, and if you want to make all of this mixture for your family of 4 within 10 minutes, then get you like 4 pans on your burner and you can get that done.
Okie dokie, let's first preheat our nonstick pans to about medium heat. Put in about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of oil, followed by 2 tablespoons of the egg whites mixture. Cover that for about 5 to 10 seconds and then add in your egg yolks. About 1 heaping teaspoon for each egg. Cover that all and let it cook for around 30 seconds or until the sides are nice and crispy around the edges and everything is nice and cooked. And that's it, we are done making eggs. It's pretty quick and it just depends how long you actually want to be in your kitchen. Do you want to use 1 pan or do you want to use 2 to 4? It's up to you how many eggs you're going to be making for breakfast.
Quick tips for that perfect crispy egg on the outside. You're gonna wanna put between 1/2 teaspoon and a teaspoon of oil for each egg and just get it around the pan. Make sure that you are turning your pan around while your egg is cooking covered so that those crispy edges are becoming more crispy. Also, that yolk is being able to cook along with the whites with that lid. Make sure you have a lid. It's very important. This way, they cook really quickly within 30 seconds to a minute, and you have each egg done. Tip number 2, for that egg yolk center, you are going to want to use either between 1 teaspoon and a little bit more of the egg yolk mixture, and just do your best to put a little bit extra on your teaspoon so that you can dollop it. You want that perfect circle, a little bit extra than what you're actually going to put in the center, and this way when you lift it up, it doesn't have that extra pull mark. It's more of a circular egg. And there you have it, gourmet vegan sunny side eggs breakfast. Got our bacon here, show you how to make that next week. These would be great with just bacon and some home fries or hash browns, but me personally, I would stick this on toast, add some bacon on there, make a sandwich, and eat it like that. I like to eat them with the fork, and I like to eat them with the bacon too, but the sandwich is the best way to eat this. A little bit of pepper, and you're good to go. All right, let's just get into one of these. The yolk is the best part. It's gonna be a little on the runny side, but the bottom is nice and crispy from that little bit of oil. This is how easy it is to make gourmet vegan sunny side eggs. And I know that there's a lot of batter left over, so the yolk will change a little bit in flavor if you do want to store it for the next day or two. However, this is a lot of egg recipe for 4 to 6 people. If you're not going to make it for that many people all at once, just cut the recipe in half. Even doing freezer sandwiches for breakfast sandwiches and then stick them in your freezer, do the whole entire recipe all at once. That is a great way to use this egg recipe. Stick it in saran wrap and then foil, put it in your freezer. Okie dokie, that's gonna do it for this everyday vegan gourmet video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like this recipe and you like this video, please make sure to show me by showing me your thumbs. Give this video a thumbs up, please share with your friends, and hit that little ring bell when you do subscribe so you do get notified of when the heck my next video comes out. And I hope to see you guys later on Instagram and on my blog at BeWhoYouRoar.com. As always, have fun cooking in your kitchen. See you next time. Bye! Ooh.